What's going on, guys? Edward here, back with another video. I don't want to take much time on this. I just simply want to show you and give you a little update and this clarity algo indicator that MambaFX keeps showing. Of course, this is his business, and I'm just trying to show you and prove that you can use this for free. Not necessarily you need the actual indicator he is using. And as a matter of fact, I don't know if you can see here my screen, but you see that he is literally only using this moving average. He's not using the Bollinger Bands, whatever the bands on that clarity algo comes with like a bunch of things, right? Now, FYI, I have not purchased this indicator. I don't have it, all right? I just basically and mainly doing this thing based on what he shows, okay? So I was able to find pretty much these indicators here and build up the strategy based on what he's showing, okay? Now, right here, let me just put the microphone so you can hear what he says, all right? Let me just put it here, just hold on a second. Hopefully you can hear this thing, but let's see.
And that even though we're in a bullish market, let me show you guys how I knew to take a sip. Obviously we had price action, which is great, but look at the clarity algo telling us to sell right at that point. I mean, this thing is so accurate. I know it's a bullish market, but it knew price was going to drop here.
Okay, so he's saying right there that look at the clarity algo. Clarity algo knew that the market was actually going to sell. He literally, hold on, I'll just hide the screen, but let me just place this sale because he literally is entering somewhere, like somewhere here. And I'm gonna show you the my actual breakdown because he literally just went for that. How did he know the market did not push like that? That was it. That was his target. And that's the only thing we don't know, of course. But where did the video go? Hold on, just trying to look for the video. Okay, there we go. So just look at from here, right, where he's pointing. Look at this candle. He just drew the line, right? I just have the line, right? Look at the moving average. This is the 20, as I mentioned, 20 EMA, right? This is the 20 exponential moving average. Look at the 20 exponential moving average. It's just literally breaking exactly the same. As a matter of fact, this actual indicator that I'm using, it gave the signal. I mean, this actual candle turns red. It turned red before this one did, right? And if you see, he made the entry here, but it's actually looking weird because he made the entry, like look at this, like the indicator is giving him the sell entry, but I'm sure it gave you the sell entry as soon as this candle closed. So how is he entering here? Right? He entered, it looks like he entered actually before the indicator gave him the signal, to be honest. That's what it looks like because the signal was given with this candle, like it did here also on the super trend indicator. It gave me the signal here, this candle. So technically, if it gave me the signal here, I should be entering like right here, right? And then maybe placing the stop here. So what he's showing in there is that looks like he entered earlier. You know, as soon as the candle was breaking, he entered earlier. Where did he place the stop? Let me see again. I'm just trying to show you, just to compare. Let's see, he entered, okay, he entered. Okay, so his entry was like right here, somewhere there. And let me open that. There we go. So his stop loss was like a few pips above the moving average, right? And his take profit was literally just right here. He was aiming maybe this low right there. That was the actual target, right? But you see, like the actual thing, you can definitely catch it with this thing, all right? Now, the way he is trading, he is explaining this. Maybe he's not going to show it, of course, completely on that video. remember that the way I told you that this setup could work is that as soon as it breaks, right, you have to wait, of course, with this for the signal, but it gave the signal a little late, right? This signal to me is a little late. So this entry would be a risky one, to be honest, because it gave the signal very late. Like the market broke, you know, the trend and with this candle, and the signal was not given here. The signal was given with this candle. So this to me would have been a risky entry, you know, which, by the way, if you want to see more about this, I have a series of this particular indicator. You can watch here at the top, the corner. And I do have a couple of videos on this indicator. So you see basically that he entered, I would say aggressively, because he did not enter with the sell signal. The sell signal is given once the candle closes. As soon as the candle closes, that's when the signal, that's when it shows the signal. The same as on this indicator right here, on the super trend indicator, right? It gave me the little signal right there. It's the same as his candle. So with that being said, you know, you, of course, as I mentioned, you have to work on managing and understanding how to trade, how to use it. Not just because you're using this indicator or even this one right here, it means that you're going to be making profits. No, you have to understand the market structure, when it breaks, even taking the risk, you know, you're not going to be winning all the time. Okay, you are going to have losses. This was pretty much a very short sale, very short sale. The only thing that it looks kind of odd is that, okay, it gave the signal, but he entered here. He actually entered here. So my guess is that he entered before the signal was given, to be honest. That's what I think it is happening right there. He entered before the signal was actually given. He entered with this candle. When this candle was about maybe to close, that's when he entered. And then just he kept holding a little bit, at least at this low, somewhere around this support, this little support right here. Okay, so if you're new and you're thinking about getting this indicator, just make sure to understand market structure. That looks like that was his target, somewhere in that support right there. Maybe that was the zone, but understand, okay? And I just wanted to break down his story that he posted on Instagram, and that you can actually do pretty much the same thing with this indicator for free, right? So I actually kind of managed to make it a little better, you know, using the RSI, but this indicator that I'm using, which is for free, it uses these two indicators right here. You can include the RSI, but it's basically the CM, EMA, trend bars, and the super trend. As I mentioned, if you want to know the exact setup, just go ahead on the top of the screen right here and just watch the previous videos that I have, that I show you how to set it up, all right, and to have pretty much the same settings, right, that I have it. But that's basically it, guys. I just wanted to show you the actual breakdown on his trade and the comparison on the Clarity Algo indicator and the free alternative that you can find on TradingView. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.